Today we're talking about roadmaps within Jira. Come on, let's get started. Let's talk about roadmaps today. What are roadmaps and how might you use it in your day-to-day? This is a feature that I like within Jira because you're able to actually quickly plan, quickly visualize, quickly use. It's powerful. And trying to be agile, trying to be quick, this is a tool you want to know. Let's go of how I would use it and the top features of why I use it. First of all, I'm in a team managed project, very important. And also this roadmap feature is actually activated or toggled on. If you don't see this, you might have to talk to your Jira admin or whoever's the admin for this project to actually turn that on. We go through that in another video. Left-hand side menu, I clicked on roadmap. This is the view I received, or you will receive when you have that activated. And let's go down to the details. First of all, one of my top items is planning. You can plan very easy with this. I can create a new epic here, also a new high-level work, a new epic, create it, enter. You have another collector of work. You can say, I have in this new epic, I need this work done, complete, then this item, don't forget, get this. 4 level items here. You can see how quickly that goes, and you can have multiple people in here as well. They can be adding stories. You might need to refresh it a little bit, especially the person that's sharing their screen. Very important. And then see, I've already created a new group of work, created individual tasks or user stories within it. And now look at, I can actually put it into timelines. I'm putting into the sprint. I need to do these 2 user stories in this sprint. And then you know what, this one I need to do here. You can see here, I quickly made a quick high level plan, and that's the power of it. Planning number 1 is what I use it for. Also visualizing the work. You can see here that I have other epics created, and I haven't really planned these ones yet. I'll throw them into some sprints so we can have a view here. You can see here, see all the work being done. Now you can see that I can move work as well. You can see I can move this. Maybe this is supposed to be in this sprint, or maybe this one's can only be done in this sprint. You can see here, you can easily do that. Visualizing is important. Also, connecting them. Maybe there's a dependency. As you can see, there's like a little chain that comes out of, if you hover over the different blocks of work, you can put dependencies. You can see I linked this one to this one. Hey, maybe there's a dependency. I need to finish this before that. So visualizing that, you can kind of quickly see, or maybe there's a dependency from this user story to this one. You can see this turns red really quick. You can see that there might be some issues there. You might need deconflict, so powerful in that sense as well. Once you kind of finish this up, you're taking a look at dependencies and you are, connecting, linking these user stories or whatever this tasking is. You can quickly have like a project plan essentially, or a product plan. You can see different releases. You can see here I added a release. Maybe this is MVP release 1. It could be, release X, Y, and Z. You can quickly see the work that's needed to make here. There's a lot of value here. You can plan as a team very quickly. You can visualize the work. The third thing I really like it for is status report. I can take a screenshot of this and put it in a PowerPoint. And you can have that visualization, that project plan for those stakeholders once it's complete. All the work is done up front. It helps you later in reporting later down the road. Now let's go to filters. With the filters here, there's today, there's weeks, there's months, there's quarters. Depending on how much you have here, this is also some options here to condense or expand these timelines for that view that you're looking for. I think months usually works for me. There's also different filters of people assigned. Maybe I only want to see things from assigned to myself. Different categories you can filter, maybe only things that are not done yet, maybe to do and in progress. You can filter by epics, some fixed versions. You can insert custom filters here. You can clear them all so you can get back your other view. Really important for those filters. There's also another one here. There's a view settings. So you can take a look at the different views, right? Hey, maybe you don't want to show dependencies. Maybe you don't want to show anything in progress. You can customize this how you want, what your stakeholders, how you're reporting that out, what makes sense to your team. You can visualize it, you can look at. You can have those powerful discussions up front on this to making sure you're successful in your project. I want to know from all of you, have you used Jira roadmaps before? Have you found value in them? If so, let me know in the comments below. I'd like to find what top things you like about Jira roadmaps that you use for your team.